Understanding matching sets in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, matching sets. This is a common term you might come across in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both speaking and understanding English more fluently. Let's dive in. Matching sets refers to two or more items that are designed to be used together because they have similar or complementary designs, colors, or functions. This term is often used in fashion, homeware, and in everyday conversation to describe items that go well together. For instance, a matching set of bed linens would include sheets, pillowcases, and a duvet cover that all have the same color or pattern. In everyday language, matching sets can be used metaphorically as well. For example, when people have similar ideas or opinions, you might hear someone say, "We have a matching set of ideas." This implies a harmony or agreement in thoughts or views. 1. Fashion. She bought a matching set of earrings and necklace for the party. 2. Furniture. We need to find a matching set of chairs for our new dining table. 3. Ideas. Our team seems to have a matching set of goals for this project. A common mistake learners make is using matching sets for items that don't necessarily need to match. For instance, saying, matching set of books, doesn't make much sense unless the books are part of a series or collection with similar designs. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of matching sets in English. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas clearly, and understanding phrases like this one is a big step in that direction. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.